So the Linea Airdrop is live and I want to showcase you how to go and grab it. So we jump straight onto the laptop. This is the landing page. I will leave it linked down below. And here you simply go and I have read claim now, connect your MetaMask wallet. As such, it's going to go and open it. You go and put your password in and you are going to go and unlock it and then claim it as we see right here. Now we do have a $1 fee, but it is okay what it is. Click on confirm and then you are good to go. So there's going to be the transfer request, which is going to be the $1.99. And this is it. So one thing that you're noticing is that it could potentially not be working in a way. Like this is something that is kind of weird in a way. This is the Linea network. And if you click on confirming, eventually, potentially, you will see the results right here. So this is the allocation, and then it's gonna go and leave you to it. Turning around, you can see it also within your wallet how to go and do it, and it is connecting to the Linea mainnet. Now there is a lot of people that are trying to do and claim, so there is also another way which we can go and claim, and you also see it here from their comments. People are a bit can claim, not possible to claim. Now there are a few things. First of all, I do want to go and let you know that I am trading, and we saw it in today's video, over on a breakout, which is a prop firm, and I'm up $516 because of my link long. I hope you did follow, but you can come and trade on breakout as well. I am trading with a $50,000 account, which you can buy for only $495, which is why I trade on these people, because you basically trade with a $50,000 account for only $500. And if you make 10,000 or 10% of 50,000 is 5,000 profit. If you make 10% of 500 is $50 profit. So this is why I trade with them. It is super nice. All of you can access it. You can buy a $5,000 account for $60 all the way up to a $50,000 account for 500 or a $100,000 account for $1,000. And this is what I'm doing. And that's why I'm able to go and sell right now for a $551 profit position, because I'm able to trade with $500. So I basically repaid the whole thing that I did go and buy it. So very, very nice. And in the meantime that we were waiting for the Linea airdrop, we are able to go and do this. And another thing is the 100 position airdrop boost that there is on Wix. Wix is a non-KYC exchange, so make sure to go and sign up now. You deposit $100 or you deposit $200 and you are able to go and get $100 or $200 for free. 100% of what you deposit is given back to you for free, in free money, in free trading fund, which is absolutely amazing. So link will be down below. Come and join me on Wix as well as on Breakout, which is absolutely the most beautiful platform that I use. But talking about the Linea airdrop here, we can see that the claiming button is a little bit slow. It's a little bit what's happening. It's a little bit shady. It's a little bit this and that. It's a little bit slow because of so many people. There's, as we see here, it's failing to do the transaction. The other thing, as we see over here, is this exact one over here. So we're gonna go and see it, but also do not forget that Orbiter Finance, I will leave you the link down below, is giving away $5,000 in OBT token if you go and do transaction on the Linea token, bridge to or from Linea, simply over on Orbiter, and they're giving you $5,000 in OBT token for free. So just go and do the transaction. I will leave you the link down below. It is super, super easy. Go on to trade, bridge, and do the transaction. Now, when it comes to what we were talking about, this is the other way that you're able to go and claim the token. You can go and do it manually over on the linea.behold contract address. Now, one thing that you need to keep in mind, and please be careful with it, if you go and do this, the gas fees could be potentially higher than what it is that we've seen for the $1.90 over on our MetaMask wallet. And yes, you do need to have Ethereum token on your Linea mainnet. So go and utilize Orbiter, which I will leave the link down below, bridge from Arbitrum or Optimism or anything to Linea. So you have gas fees over on Linea, and this is what you're gonna be able to go and do. You will be able to go and write manually the claiming if it doesn't go with the official Linea airdrop. Over here on the write contract, claim contract, connect your wallet, and it's automatically going to go and claim. As you see here, though, the gas fees are super high. So please, please, please be careful about it. This is the only thing that I would tell you. But you can go and do this if the official website, which is this one right here, doesn't work, because as we see also from here, it currently is not working and the transaction is failing right there. So just for you to know, make sure to go and do it. But of course, you do need to have some fun. So if we go and bridge, for example, from Arbitrum, which it is right here, we can go and bridge whatever we have connected wallet over here. We can connect our EVM wallet over on Arbitrum, which it is this one right here. Click on connect your MetaMask wallet, which it is already there. It is a little bit doing this, so try to avoid it. Go over and connect it, and then send tokens from whatever chains that you have them on. to Linea, which is what it is important to do. For example, here I got some over on Ethereum. I got 0.01 on Ethereum. Simply click over to Max, go and trade them over to the Linea chain, which it is right here. Simply here, Linea, and then you're good to go. So make sure to go and do that. But with that said, I hope you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if it does sound helpful. Come and trade with me over on Wix. As we said, there is a 100% deposit bonus, which is amazing for you. And also over on Breakout, which is a prop firm that you've seen. I've been doing $500, and basically I repaid in just a trade. I repaid the $50,000 account that I'm utilizing. So big up. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to be careful out there. Only interact with the official ones, and I'll see you all later. Ciao, guys.